There you go. Good good morning. Good evening, guys. Welcome everybody. Oh, Kuya Foodie, actually I was watching your live kanina. Nahuli ako. Nahuli ako sa chika. Ah, wag nang mag-makeup. Ganon. Actually, Kuya Foodie yung Hi, Miss Anne Yuneda. Miss Grateful Filipina. Hi there. I know, right? Guys, sa hindi nakakapanood ng live ni 40 A1C, you better check it out. Naghihintay yung 1,000,000, guys. You don't wanna miss that out. Actually, Kuya Foodie, yung i-check ka. Ano ba yan? Yung i-check ka, oh my God, I don't know. Ang i-check ko ngayon, check ka, is about kung paano kikita ng konti ng dollar sa Pinas, di ba? And I think this is not for you. Kasi nandito ka na. Oh, wait a second. But thank you. I want everyone. Hi, Miss Grateful Filipina. Good evening po. Makeup. Hindi about makeup. Oh, meron akong isi-share. Just wondering, guys, if you know what happened. The news about sa Filipino family. Kuya Fodi, do you know this about the Filipino family back in your state? In New Jersey? Tago ko muna itong mga password na to. Wow, yeah, that's right. It was a heartbreaking, right? OMG. Hindi ako makahinga nung nalaman ko yan. Parang, wow. Life. So, we have to be ready, guys. Kasi hindi natin alam kung saan tayo, kung kailan tayo kukunin. Hi, the Wilson on Go family. This whole family is energetic. Actually, yung iti-check ako. This is about my experience, yung saan ako nag-apply and paano ako kumita ng dollars sa Pinas. So I was hoping na may taga Pinas na manonood. Hi, welcome. Yalebi Tawatan, sorry. That's cool. Yalabi, nakasali ka na ba sa giveaway ni Kuya Foodie? Exciting to, as in. Kuya, hindi pa ako naka-enter. Pwedeng sasali pa? Paano? Yung spreadsheet, hindi na ako naka-access. Wow. Hintayin ko lang for just a few minutes. So, I'm hoping na meron pang taga Pinas. Yes! Oh yeah, August pa yung sinabi mga narinig ko yung August 5. So, guys, watch out for that. Yay! Sali ako. Kuya, hindi ko na ma-access yung spreadsheet na para may kambal na yung camera ko. Hi, Rocky! Rocky is my neighbor. Matulog ka na? If you have to go to bed, please do. Napapansin ko, mostly ang nag-online ng mga ganitong oras is yung nasa USA ba? Or, yeah. Hi, Sean. William. Cool. Sige, wave-wave muna kayo dyan. Let's wait for a few minutes. Okay. So yung, okay, na-access ko na ito. Matindi tong mga mechanics mo. As in, ikaw lang gumawa nito. Kuya, as in, nagno-nosebleed. Sa mechanics pa lang, magno-nosebleed na sila. Iba ka talaga. Ang sarap ng gabi ngayon, no? Yes. Correct. Of course, that is so expensive. Giveaways. You said 1K in all, right? Yung song ko is parang pangpatulog talaga actually. Nagtitina ako kasi matutulog na ako after nito. I still have my favorite cup. Parang siyang, yung style niya is parang Google. Googly. Ayan, ayusin ko lang yung camera. Parang hindi siya pantay. So, ayan, okay, I see. That's still huge. Wow. So, guys, please check out mo yung, check nyo yung giveaways ni Kuya Foodie. Grabe yung, hindi ko carry yung mga mechanics mo. Pakapalan talaga ng mukha sa labas ang mangyayari nito. Yes, you always have to smile. I love it. It's my favorite color. As you can see, in our living room, most of our things are yellow green. Para akong naaantok nito sa music. I'm gonna change this. Hang on. As in, walang hiya na talaga to sa YouTube. Vlogger. Vlogger pa more. Sometimes, nalilito ako siguro hindi ako sanay na salita ng mag-isa. Mas mas gusto ko na may kausap ako. Hindi ko familiar to si check ko lang muna yung oo nga, parang pangpatulog ito actually. Kasi matutulog na ako after nito. Yan nga, yung i-share ko lang is simple siya, but kung paano ka kikita o paano tayo kikita ng dollar sa Pinas, you know? So I'm just hoping. Kinakausap mo. Hala. True, kuya. Sanayan lang talaga, no? Sometimes I do that. Like, I am talking to myself. And my husband was wondering who am I talking to, and then I'm just saying, "Oh, I'm talking to myself." Don't worry, I'm still in good state of mind. Kasi parang ano. So ito, let's go ahead and start. Sanayan lang yan. So I've got Kuya, Foodie, and Dioneda, Grateful Filipina. Okay. The Wilson on the go, and Yelebe Tawatan. Ang hirap ng pangalan mo. Ano ka ba? I'm sure. I'm not sure kung ang hirap ng pangalan mo dyan. So I'm just wondering guys kung familiar kayo sa Upwork. And so, okay. What I'm trying to say right here is I'm just gonna go ahead and share to you yung experience ko lang ha. Kung paano ako kumita. Kahit hindi naman parehong same price dito. Pero mas malaki na yun kung i-compare natin sa if you're living in Philippines. Yelly. Okay, Yelly. There you go. Thank you, Kuya. So, nag-start ako. Okay, naging independent contractor ako sa Philippines before ako pumunta dito. Actually, kaming dalawa ni Habi. So, naging independent contractor kami, dalawa. So, saan ako nag-apply? Actually, dalawa lang talaga yung website na in-applyan ko. And that is Upwork. This one. I'm just gonna go ahead and share it to you guys. Wait a second. Nakikita niyo ba? So, itong website na to, Upwork. So, dyan ako nag-start na mag-apply and maghanap ng client. So, yan yung mga category na mga pwede mong applyan. Web development, mobile development, design, if you're into it, and if you have skills, writing, admin support, customer service, marketing, accounting. So, ganyan. And actually, maganda talaga to na opportunity. Kasi kikita ka ng more than, more than the usual na kinikita mo sa normal job mo sa Pinas. Yun, in terms about sa Upwork, medyo I would say na medyo ano siya. It's how do you say it? Parang marami kang kompetensya dito sa Upwork. That's the reality here. Because this is an international, job site. So dito nagpo-post ng mga opportunity yung mga client, and then so dito talaga yung pinaka up to nowadays, this is still the biggest online job search. So yan. Hi, hello, Monday and Bella, welcome, and Annalyn Beckery. Hello there, girl. Ayan, so I would suggest if you guys wanted to, kahit dito, hindi to para lang sa Pinas ha. Kumbaga, okay din to, even if you are here already I mean, if you're already here in the US. But definitely, yung rate magva-vary. So kung sa Pinas ka, mag-vary yung rate mo. Pag dito ka, iba yung rate mo dito. US yung rate mo dito. But i-compare mo siya sa local na rate, iba talaga. Definitely per hour. Dollar niya is per hour. I mean, yung per hour niya is dollar. And I can attest to that kasi naka-experience na ako mag-work ng public, I mean, government and private company sa Pinas. So, ayan. Now, just a little bit of advice if you guys wanted to. Okay. So, we have Yeli saying, ang hirap mag-sign up dyan. Sis, hanggang pending pa rin ako. Totoo ba? Hanggang pending? Oh, how long? I mean, how long na pending? Talaga, pahirapan na ngayon? Hindi ko alam to, Yeli, actually. Pahirapan ba ang pag-approve ngayon sa Upwork? Yali? Kasi sa experience ko, siguro may 2 days na naghintay ako. Then, ayan, na-approve na siya. And then, I would suggest na if ever mag-change kayo ng career path or career choice, wag munang, this is just my advice, okay? Huwag munang mag-resign if ever nag-work pa kayo sa previous nyo na company. Why? Kasi hindi madali. That's the reality there, especially kung baguhan ka lang sa pagiging independent contractor. And especially pag dito ka mag-apply sa Upwork because you need to build up your profile first here. So, from what I remember, as far as I remember, may mga exam akong may mga exam na dapat mong i-take para mag-rank yung profile mo. Yun yung nangyari. And yun. Tapos grabe yung mas grabe yung competition ng mga in terms sa pag-hire ng employee doon. Kasi marami it's a world, yung competition mo is worldwide. Whole world is your competition right there. Hi, Miss Eileen Yusuf. Wow. Hi, Madam. Hope you're having a good day there, right? Okay, according to Yeli, last May pa po ako nag-sign up hanggang ngayon pending. Oh, really? You know what, Yeli? What you can do, you can call directly their customer service. I mean, customer support. Definitely, they would be able to tell you what's the problem. Because that's weird. May, June. Oh, it's already too long, right? And I would tell you na yung earning mo doon, depende yan sa definitely depende yan sa trabaho mo, depende yan sa skills mo. But I would say na minimum you will be earning 35,000 to up to 80,000 pesos yan ha, hindi yan dollars. We're talking about pesos here. So, ganon. Now, Okay. So much for that. Yeli, actually, kung yan ang na-experience mo sa Upwork, I'm sorry to hear that. But definitely, you can call directly or email the support team. They have a good customer service though. And yung pangalawa na website na inapplyan ko ay ang online job website. Actually, guys, here's the story. Nag-apply lang ako ng isang account after ko na makilatis yung isang account ko. Kumbaga, after ko na kahanap ng after ko nakahanap ng client sa Upwork, so nagalamay ko na yung mga process. You're welcome, Yeli. If you do have question, just let me know or ping me, and you can follow me on my Facebook. And I'm going to share you the second website na ina-applyan ko kung paano na nakahanap ako ng isang account. Kasi yung yung unang account ko, guys, I need to talk to the client. So, nung nakilates ko na yung first account, like after a few months, na-feel ko na I still have free time. Like, I still have, you know, na-assess ko na kaya ko pang magtrabaho ng isang account. So, naghanap ako ng isang account. At saan ako naghanap nito? Dito sa onlinejob.ph. Do you know this, Yeli? Here, let me go over here. Okay. Ma-access mo lang to sa this is actually here. So that's the website, onlinejob.ph. Yan yung website at makikita mo yung mga trabaho na pwede mo applyan. Yan. Now, if you're talking about the advantage of applying in the onlinejob.ph, from the word itself, para talaga siya sa Pinoy lang. It's only for Filipinos. So, think about it. Mas lesser yung competition mo doon sa onlinejob.ph. Nag-try ka ba, Yelen, ng sa onlinejob.ph as well? I'm just wondering. So, ganon. I'm trying not to move because parang nahabit ko na mag-move-move. Sa onlinejob.ph, it's actually, yeah, I mean, it's acceptable. Makaka-earn ka ng, it depends on the skills. Yung pinaka mababa kong nakita doon is 25,000. Pinaka mababa na yun, ha? And then, mas lesser yung kompetensya mo doon kasi it's just only for Filipino. That's the good thing right there compare sa Upwork. Dami kompetensya. So it means to say na yung okay. May mga naman, may mga iba naman na work like for admin or management. Ano yung ano mo, ano mo yung ano ang gusto mong skills or ano yung gusto mong trabahuin? Anong field? Hindi naman lahat IT and developer yung hinahanap nila. Pero definitely may mga ganyan and yan yung mga malalaki ang offer. May kilala ako na video editor, guys. Video editor at kumikita siya ng 100,000 sa Pinas. And ako, at that time, wala pa akong hilig sa video editing stuff. Talaga siya bihasa na. Yung mga kasama ko, kumikita ng 80,000. Ako ano lang ako ng ranking ng higher kasi dalawa yung account na trabaho ko. And ayaw ko yung grabe yung grabe yung stress. Definitely. Yan yung one of the reason na I prefer, you know, working at your own comfort, I mean, at your comfort zone and then working at your own time, 'di ba? Yan yung pinaka idealistic. I think sa especially nowadays na sobrang traffic. And pag nasa labas ka, take note, you can't stop from spending money. More money because there's so much more outside. Like malls, food. To tell you guys, yung independent contractor ako, naiba yung lifestyle ko as in, naiba yung pananaw ko how to handle money, to be more and to be more independent, like sa magiging mature ka sa paghandle ng money. I would say that. Kasi may babayaran ka na ng mga bills. And this is the true. Ang daming food sa labas, 'di ba? Tapos barkada. Ayan. Dito sa pagiging independent contractor, Maris, hindi mo makikita, hindi mo makasama yung mga workmate mo. So, hindi kayo magkaayaan, maglabasan, lumabas para kumain or mag, pumunta ng sine, di ba? So, yun, makakasave ka talaga. Depende lang din talaga sa tao. Iba lang siguro kung gaano ka ka-spender. If you are a wise spender or what. But I'm so happy. I have no regret. I'm so thankful yung yung decision na yun. Though it was uncertain, you know. Maraming mga workmate ko sinabi na wag kang mag-resign. And I said, I think what at those moments I remember I just followed my inner voice. And thank God. It's all worth it. Just follow your inner voice. If you know that you can handle that, then and you're good at it, so ganon. Lahat naman hindi naman kailangan alam mo lahat. I'm pretty sure na now, especially nowadays, na everything is just, you know, one click away from you, and you can definitely learn something. So the requirement is actually to become an independent contractor. Yung requirement is you need to have first computer, definitely. and yung computer mo should have a good amount of capacity, like yung storage at least. I forgot yung required na storage, basta malaki, hindi siya for gaming, okay? Kasi yung employer mo is they will have to ask you to download a certain software na definitely heavy, you know. So, ay hindi ka pwede mag-lie about it. Why? Kasi makikita nila yon. Makikita nila na kung anong laman ng ano mo, kung ilang storage or yung capacity ng computer mo or yung equipment mo. And second is definitely yung internet service provider. It should be good. At from my time, at least 3 Mbps pa yun ha. 3 Mbps. Pero ano naman, mabilis na yun kasi ako lang naman isa ang gumagamit. Ganon. Hi, welcome, Miss Ev. Oh, the good cook. Hi po. Yes, Yeli, yung ibang employer, sabi niya, yung ibang employer need nila ng requirements na may laptop PC kasi lang gamit. Okay. Oh my God, Yeli, it's really a must that you need to have a computer or a laptop. But I would suggest desktop is cheaper and you can have you can start from there. Ako mas prepare ko yung desktop kaysa sa laptop. So I'm sure makaano ka dun. Ano bang gusto mo na ano ba yung field na gusto mong Yeli? Ang pagkaalam ko, meron silang customer service, um, virtual assistant, and sales. Ganon. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Yeli. Nagkasakit daw siya. Kaya nag-resign siya 4 months ago. That's sad. But are you good now? Are you in good health? I hope so. Kasi marami talagang opportunity na sometimes ini-ignore lang natin. I mean, we just don't take it. I mean, we just take it. We take it for granted for the reason na you don't want to. You don't want to take a rest, and you don't want to fail. You're afraid to fail something, so just keep it going and get it work. I'm sure marami doon. May alam akong isa. Fiber. It's an international job search as well. So I think it's the same as Upwork. Now, mahirapan ka talaga if baguhan ka sa Upwork. I would suggest to start at the onlinejob.ph kasi sabi mo pending pa yung ano mo, 'di ba? So while pending pa siya kung hindi pa ma-complete or hindi pa siya ma-access, then try to go to the other website that I showed, which is onlinejob.ph. And let's see it from there. If there's any. Hey, Yelly, you know what? Don't be depressed. My goodness, kung I have that depression stage as well while working as an independent contractor. Ganon. But don't let that darkness get into your mind, okay? Yes, by the grace of the Lord, you will be able to see the light that you are so blessed. You are so blessed that we are alive. I'm trying, you know what, yung ano ko, yung isang I'm trying to figure out right here if I can contact my previous employer. Kasi nawala na kasi wala na akong access sa old Skype ko kung saan kami usually nagmi-meeting, and then yan, wala na akong access. But I'm trying to retrieve. Please let me know. Let me know, or you can DM me, direct message to Facebook. Go, my name right there is Chiquita, or no, just follow me on my Instagram and DM me, and I will try to do that I can, you know, kung meron sila, kung pwede ba kitang ma-recommend. And just get ready with your resume para ma-forward ko if you know the table is open. Um, Here. Okay. Chiquita, Chiquita too, actually. I'm gonna go ahead and change that. So yan lang. Actually, we have three people right now who are watching, and I'm wondering sino sila. Miss Ev, Kalma's Kitchen. Anong oras na po dyan sa inyo? Me. You know what, yung music ko is pang paano? Oh my god. So you need this lullaby. It's midnight now. Yeah, it's gonna be, yeah, it's 11:23 right here. Actually, sinabi ko kanina na dapat nag-vlog sana ako, but I realized na kaya ko to. That's my commitment this time. That's nice. But usually no sa ano, ma-mention ko lang sa Upwork, hindi ka talaga basta-basta hindi ka basta-basta makaano ba, um, kasi makikita yun sa employer kung sa profile mo pa lang makikita kung may experience ka na ba. Mas easier kasi yali pag may experience ka na. Let's start from the basic, you know. Kasi kinikita nila kung may experience ka doon, and nakikita sa Upwork yung record. Hi, Miss Jamaica. Hi, Ate Chick. Si Au kayo ng bata ah. How old are you, Jamaica? I'm sorry. Wow. Thank you po. Thank you, Miss Ev. Miss Ev. Oh, I love calling you Miss Ev. Wow. Belated then, huh? Yeah, everybody's getting older, so no one is getting younger, isn't it? But there is a secret right there. Just keep on smiling. That will keep you younger looking. Okay, Yeli, I have an experience here sa Pinas, more on office work. That's nice. Ano yung mga skill mo sa office work? Do you do spreadsheet and Excel like that? What about customer service? Kasi yung isang account ko din, ganyan din eh. Pero may mga software kami na ginagamit. And then sometimes you will have to talk to the client. Pero definitely, bigyan ka ng time na aralin yung lahat. So, I think there will be no problem right there. Yali. Mag Sabi ni Jamaica, haha, magisi na lang ning baba nakog kinatawa kulang man gihapon. Mao ba? Okay ra na. Wow, daming hotel dyan, di ba? So, pwede ka makag-start na they are really looking for someone who are food tech. That's cool industry, isn't it? Sana ano, um, try to send me your Yali. Try to send me your resume, uh, and then I will try to access my old Skype. I will see what I can do kung makahanap ako. Uh, kung i-refer kita. Kasi yung ano, you need to undergo with the hiring process as well. Mhm. Yes, Jamaica, online job ni. Among giistoryahan kung magbisaya ko ha. Bisaya man ko. Okay. So they are looking for appearance. Yelly. Okay, you mean to say yung physical na company, you mean, right? Oo nga no, parang guys, alam niyo ba dito sa US na kahit matanda, nagwo-work. And it's so bad to know this sa atin sa Pinas na bakit kailangan yung mga ganun na mga requirements. Pag hindi maganda, hindi ma-hire, my goodness, that's that needs to be changed, I guess. Punta ka ng ibang lugar kung saan. Ano ba yan? You're welcome, Yeli. I-try ko kung I will try to contact someone. I'm trying, yeah. As far as I know, I still have my workmate email, and I'll try to give it a try. Kung may hiring sila, and then I will submit your resume there. True, my age limit, physical appearance, education, background, wow. Kahit sa mga food, fast food, right? Yan yung mga may ano din, may qualification that you have to meet. Hay nako, dito kahit as long as you're still in good shape, in good mind, yan yung nakakaano, ah, nakakasad. Masyadong mataas ang standard. Pero may mga yung alam mo naman yung mga trabaho na kaya naman talaga, napapag-aralan naman talaga, hindi naman siya accounting, 'di ba? Hindi naman siya engineering, ganun ang mga style. So yan, that was just actually part of it na gusto ko lang ma-mention. Actually, sabi ko ayoko mag-edit ng ganito na live, I mean na vlog. True. I hope na makakahanap ka ng opportunity. You know, sooner the better. I'm looking, I'm checking in my Facebook if you. Okay. I'm still not getting your request. But anyway, yan. You're welcome. So, ganun guys. Actually, yung saan ka? Taga dis ah. Saan ka pala, Yeli? I know you're from Manila. Is it Manila? So true. God will provide. Okay. Yeah, sure. I know yung I know your situation. Malabon. Okay. Cool. Basta don't give up and don't quit because only quitters are losers. Okay? Ganon. Sometimes you have to go to the hardest time. And that's life. So, asa na ba tayo? So, ayan. Di ba maganda pag the advantage of working at home, especially pag ganito, nakakasama mo yung family mo. Alam mo ba yung workmate ko, those time, mga, nasa ibang bansa sila, and then usually, as far as I know, ako lang yung single. As far as I know ha, ako lang yung single na sa trabahoan, I mean, sa company namin, being an independent contractor. Puro sila may mga family na. and you can see the good side right there. Right. Pero pinaka-basic talaga is computer skill. Like yung knowledge mo sa mga basic na stuff like Microsoft or Excel, or you know how the keyboard works. So that's the very basic thing. Depende lang yan. Kung hindi ka kung nagwo-work ka ng office, you can be a PA, like a personal assistant. But maraming pressure sa personal assistant, especially pag yung employer mo is busy na tao. Like, pa iba-iba. Ikaw yung magbo-book ng flight, ikaw yung magpa-follow up ng mga email, mag-reply ng mga email. Oh my G. Ganun siya. Wow, ang kausap ko lang ngayon ay si Yeli. But there are people who are watching. 4 people who are watching right now. Maganda ba yung music ba, yung background music ko? Para na nakakatulog siguro. Nakakatulong para matulog, di ba? And you know what, Yeli? To tell you the truth na yung yung experience ko as an independent contractor is malaking credit yun kung paano ako na accept at natanggap sa first job na dito sa US. As in, work in the yung account ko, yung isang account ko is supply chain management. Yung pangalawang account ko is may pagka-sales siya. Pero yun talaga yung I would say stressful. Hindi ako mahilig makig-sell. Ganun. Pero hindi naman always. May mga lang, seldom lang na mga instances na makaka-handle ako ng sales. Ganun. Pero maganda na rin. As in, nakaka-relax. You know what, guys? This is the only tea na gusto ko sa lahat ng tea na na-try ko ng buong buhay ko. Why? Yung ibang tea is yung tumitigas yung dumi ko. As in, parang ang weird niya. Pero dito, this is so nice. This is so refreshing. And nakakatulog ako ng mahimbing. Ganon. I have problem in taking a straight sleep at night. Yes, Yeli, kakukuha ko lang nga ng passport, ha. Tagal ng pinag-ipunan ko yun. Oh, that's great. Dad, congratulations. Sumali ka na ba kay Kuya Foodie? Dapat kang sumali kay Kuya Foodie giveaway, you know? Sasali rin ako. Ano ba to yung music ko? Parang inaantok din ako. Oh my G. Ganon. Do you have any question, Yeli? Or anybody right there who's watching me right now? Parang ang creepy, no? That I know that somebody's watching me and they are just silent. Parang, that sounds creepy to me, guys. It's great. Cool. At sumali din siya kay CCF. Ah, si Madam Ev. Meron din. Alam mo ba, sa YouTube world, ngayon ko lang na-realize na ang daming ang daming opportunity na pwede hindi ka na bumili. Kasi, ang daming nagpaparaffle. Magpaparaffle ako pag umabot ako ng 1K. Ah, di ba? Anong oras na dyan sa Pinas? Ah, okay. Hapon na. I see. Oh, I have a question, Yeli. How's the internet service provider there? Okay ba yung internet service? Yung from what I've heard, my new provider ngayon, internet service provider sa Philippines. But I'm not sure yet kung anong name. Catherine. And this is your real name, Yelibi Tawatan? Parang nakakaungod ning Yan. Wait a second. Mapuntahan ko nga yung ano mo. Okay, there you go. You want to see yourself? Wait a second. There you go. Ayan, nakita ko na. Huwag ka na mahiya. Kasi dito daw, wala daw ang hiya-hiya. Pag vlogger ka, wala ka dang hiya. Ang harsh ng tagline pag vlogger, walang hiya. Ganun. OMG. Oh my God, hindi ako inaantok nito. Why? Supposedly, aantukin ako nito after kong uminom. Grabe ka positive yung ano ko, di ba? Yung cup ko. Lumipat kami dito, dala-dala ko yan. Sabi ko, dadalhin ko yan. Because that's my favorite. And bigayan. Hi guys, who's watching me right now aside from Yelly? Please let me know if you don't mind. Do you have family, Yelly? Oops, parehas tayo. Nabasag. OMG. Ang sa akin din, yung iPhone ko nabasag, hindi pa na-repair. This is my old one. Pero, inaano ko muna, hindi siya talaga importante. So, hindi ko siya i-rush. Baka mag-iba yung decision ko. See, I still have my other phone. So, ganun. Hi, made in Hong Kong, Irish Honorio. Hi, madam. Musta ang kalabasa, sis? Ang kalabasa day, i-harvest na. How are you? Thank you for stopping by. Okay, so dalaga ka pa. So Yelly, since you're still, single, make the most of your time. Kasi ang sarap magtrabaho pag single. Especially, how much more pag may anak, di ba? Mas maganda talaga na pag na-experience mo yung single ka na, na experience mo yung naka-feel ka ng financial freedom, hindi man buong buo, pero at least meron yung financial freedom. I'm actually doing good right here, listening to my music and talking to you guys. Made in Hong Kong, doing just so good. Ayan. I-check ko lang yung music. Maybe this is no longer, sabi ko nga, this is no longer a free, okay. Naka-copyright na ako. I'm good, madam. Irish Honorio. Okay, Irish said, hi Yelly, mustasa kalabasa. I love that term, mustasa kalabasa. Okay, there you go. So actually, hindi ko alam kung anong oras na yung live ko. I supposed to end this one for a little but you know what? I'm having a good time talking to you all guys. Okay, guys, I just want to say thank you, and I will talk to you soon. Okay? I need to say good night. Ingat, ingat guys. Have a great morning, evening, wherever you are right now. Selamat, selamat, and you're welcome, Yali, and thank you for spending time, so much time with me tonight. Here, by the way, tonight. So, yan, salamat made in Hong Kong, Irish Honorio, Jamaica, Miss Ev, Kalma Kitchen, Wilson on the Go, and definitely Eileen yourself, and the only foodie, Kuya Foodie A1C, Annalyn Vickery. Thank you, Madam. It's Rocky. Kumusta diha, Day? I'm sure tulog na ka if you know, have a good sleep day. All right. I will talk to you guys sooner. All right. Chiquita is off. Signing off right now. Good night.